This video will show you how to set up and navigate your Google Classroom. First, open your Google Chrome browser. This is not the only browser that will support Google Classroom. However, it's the easiest and most compatible to use. You can sign into Google on the top right up here by clicking Sign In. To sign in, enter your APS email address. Your email address will be an @aps.edu address. It's just for an example, it's a Gmail, but it will be an @aps.edu email address. Next, you enter your password. This is your school password that will allow you to enter your student view or Google Drive for school and also your Google Classroom. So you enter your password, press next, and now if you look at the top right hand corner, you'll see a little circle that has an S, but that will show you that you are signed in. Next, click on the waffle next to the S, and you'll see you have a variety of choices. If you click on those choices and drag them, you can rearrange them. I recommend having your Google Classroom, your Google Drive, and your Gmail and your calendar as some of your first choices at the top. Click on the Google Classroom icon and it will take you to your Google Classroom. So we go over to the plus sign right here and you're going to click Join Class. Now, your teacher will send you a Google Class code, and in order to join that class, you need to enter your Google Class code here. And you click Join, and that will take you to your Google Classroom. And we are now on the English class page. Now, if you go to your 3 bars on top left-hand corner, you can see that you have your English class listed here. Now there's another way to join a Google class. So for that, we're going to go to the waffle again, and then we're going to click on our Gmail icon. You see here that the teacher, Carolyn Keller, sent you a class invite for the Avid Example class. Open the email. Then you see here a button that says Join. It will ask you here to join class to verify. Check that it's your name and your email, your APS email, and then click Join. And this will take you to the class you have just added. So if we go over to the 3 bars on the top left again, then we go down, you see you have English and Avid. Now if you click at the top, classes will take you to this Google Classroom page, and now you have 2 classes there. If you would like to organize these classes, you can click on the class and drag to reorganize it. So let's take a look at our English class now. We'll click on the English and take us back to our English classroom. Now this is our opening page. If you look first, we have here upcoming assignments, and when you come to the top here, notice that these stream is highlighted. Now if you want to find some more specific information, you can go over next to stream and go to Classwork. When we've clicked on Classwork, first of all, you can view all of the work you have that is connected to your Google Drive and to your Google Classroom. Then you have your class drive folder, so any work that you've done that is specific to this class will be in this folder. Moving right along, your teacher will have different topics. Now these will be different for each teacher. This particular teacher has assigned assignments and has a resources tab. On the left side, those different headings or topics will be listed. If your teacher has many different tabs, you'll be able to click on here and it will take you directly to the tab you're looking for. So we're going to look at the resources first. If your teacher posts something, you can click on the heading and then you'll see, you can click on view material to see the rest of it if your teacher has given you more instructions. And then we see here there is a PDF. So if you just click on that link, it will take you to the actual document. And you just scroll through it. When you are in your resource, you can go to the top little pull down button, style of documents. You can open it as a Google Doc if you like, and you have some different options there. Moving back, we are going to return now by clicking the back arrow button, and you'll return to the document. I'm going to click on English. That'll take us back to our English stream, our main page, and then go back to Classwork. Now back at Classwork, so now we're going to look here. We have 2 assignments on our assignment board. If you look at the different colors, you have one that's blue and one that's gray. All right, so if we click on the one that's gray, you see here, it says turned in. So after you've completed the assignment, little icon, the little image is gray. Looking at the other assignment here, the student survey, you'll see that it says assigned, which means you have not yet turned in this assignment. We're going to view this assignment. We have an add or create button here. If the teacher asks us to attach a document or make a slideshow, you can do that there. And then you have a mark as done button. So after you've completed the assignment, you can mark as done. We're going to click on this survey and then just fill in the survey. So complete the survey and then you can click submit. Now for this particular survey, there is an option to edit or open your assignment. We're going to close this, go back to our Google Classroom. Now we've taken the survey, so we need to go to our mark as done and click to say that we have completed the assignment. We're going to go here, mark as done. And now it says turned in. So going back, now we're going to return to our English homepage and then we're going to go back to Classwork. We see now that our assignment here for the student survey is now gray, so it is complete. We're going to go take a look at our introduction one-pager here at this assignment. We're going to view assignment. When you're on this page, you can see we have the rubric right here. This place right here is class comments. So any comments you make here are visible to all of your classmates as well as your teacher. But then there's also this useful section right over here called private comments. Any comments you write in here will go directly to your teacher. If you have any questions, you message your teacher on private comments. So you can click on it to see what you have turned in. We look here and you see, oh my goodness, I turned in a blank assignment. Then you can go back and click unsubmit. Then you can work on it again. And add or create an assignment directly here, and that'll link you to you can start a new document, a new slide presentation, a drawing, or an Excel sheets, or you can link something from your Google Drive and then click turn in. When you click turn in, it will record the date and time that you've turned it in, so your teacher will know that you've turned it in on time or if you've turned it in late. So we're going to click turn in. Now we've completed our overview of Google Classroom. We wish you all the best this semester.